Hello and welcome to another episode of Don't Hate the Player, Hate the Recipe, where I make a recipe exactly as it's written, and if it's not good then it's the recipe's fault, it's not my fault. So really it's just a way to pass the blame. That's the whole concept. Today we're making this hot smoked salmon frittata with yogurt and dill. That's what it's going to look like. It's from this book, The Roasting Tin Around the World by Rukmini. And here's all the ingredients. 6 eggs, 200 grams of yogurt, 20 grams of dill roughly chopped, half a red onion finely chopped, some black pepper, some capers, hot smoked sweet chili salmon flakes. However, we got 200 grams of it. It said 100 to 120 grams. Who doesn't want more salmon? We've also got a stowaway, some spinache. The reason for that is because I'm going away and I wanted to use it up. And if this recipe ends up being gross because it has too much spinach in it, I will eat my hat. Eggs and yogurt have been whisked together. The onions and dill and spinach have been incorporated. That's all gone into a shallow roasting tin lined with parchment paper. And now we scatter the smoked salmon and capers. Fly, be free. Oh. I mean, that looks pretty scattered, doesn't it? It actually looks pretty good. I have reasonably high hopes that this will taste nice. Into the oven! It's cooking, and the reason I know it's cooking is because my whole house stinks of fish now. I should say, this is episode 4 of this series, so if you want to go back and watch the other 3, they're on my channel. Go watch them. Some of them work out well, some of them are a disaster. I mean, it's looking good, but it is a little bit sort of watery. There's some bits of egg that I think haven't finished doing. I like the fact that the salmon's got all crisped up. That's going back in for another few minutes, even though it's already had the maximum time. So recipe fail a bit, but going back in. Hey, also check out my Adidas Stan Smith slippers. There's also a video about these on my channel too. Go check that out. I got a stain on them. Whoops. Okay, we now have no liquid. It smells good. The salmon's got a bit crispy on top. Lovely. That's half of it on a plate with a bit of extra yogurt, as per the recipe said. So let's try some. Here's the bit of the show where you get to watch me eating and thinking about what I'm going to score this recipe. Let's go. Oh, it's sweeter than I thought it would be. I guess that's the onion. Oh, it's got a kick. That'll be the spicy chili that's with the salmon. Yeah, digging it. I'm into this. Has anyone said digging it in the last 20 years? Maybe. I just did. Nice bit of dill. Nice bit of sweetness. Nice bit of spiciness. Was it a faff to make? No. Is it tasty? Very much so. Would I make it again? Yeah, quite possibly. It didn't take too much to sort the ingredients out, and it didn't take too long to cook. And I think, if I'm honest, Rukmini, if you're watching, the spinach was actually a really good addition because it feels sort of healthier. I'm just surprised how sweet this is. Okay, so we need a score. It's easy and tasty, but is it, something I'm going to be like, whoa, that was crazy? No, so it's like an 8 out of 10. This looks like it'd be good for like a brunch thing. Right, well, I'm going to just eat this because this is my dinner now and it's dark, as you can see, and I'm hungry. While I'm doing that, click on some of these things on the screen to go watch some more of these videos or some other videos that are recommended to you. Subscribe to my channel if you want more videos from me, and I'll see you later. Okay, bye.